Islamic tradition, the process of shrouding or kafan is an important ritual performed before burial. While there is no specific method of shrouding detailed in the hadiths, scholars have developed various practices based on fiqh or Islamic jurisprudence. These methods may differ slightly among the different schools of thought, but the core purpose remains the same: to honor the deceased and prepare them respectfully for burial. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide to shrouding, highlighting the differences between men's and women's shrouds and ensuring you understand each stage of the process. Let's begin by exploring the materials and garments involved. Shrouding process starts with preparing the required garments. For men, 3 plain white cloths are used. For women, the shroud consists of 5 pieces: a loincloth izar, a shirt or chemise, a veil for the head, and 2 additional shrouds. All shrouds should be clean, simple, and free from decorations. Begin by spreading all the shrouds on top of one another, ensuring they are neatly aligned. The deceased is then gently placed on top of these layers, so the shrouds are beneath the body. This careful preparation ensures the process is smooth and dignified, setting the stage for the next steps of wrapping and covering. Now let's walk through the actual shrouding process. For women, start by putting on the izar, followed by the chemise and then the veil over the head. Next, take the first shroud and wrap the left side across to the right, then the right side across to the left. Repeat this process with the second and third shrouds, ensuring each layer is secure and covers the body completely. Men begin with putting on the izar, followed by 2 large otter sheets, wrapping the left side across to the right, then the right side across to the left. Make sure the larger parts of the shroud are positioned towards the head and feet so they can be drawn over the face and feet later. Once all layers are in place, use cotton belts to tie the shrouds at the head, waist, and feet. These ties prevent the shrouds from loosening during transport. Remember, the ties should be loosened once the deceased is placed in the grave, allowing for a final respectful farewell. Final steps in shrouding emphasize respect and care for the deceased. After the shrouds are securely tied, ensure that the larger sections can be drawn over the face and feet when needed. The cotton belts, usually tied at the head, waist, and feet, are essential for keeping the shrouds in place during transport. However, these ties should be loosened once the body is placed in the grave, symbolizing the release of the soul and the completion of the earthly journey. This process, though simple, reflects the dignity and compassion central to Islamic burial practices. By following these steps, families and communities can honor their loved ones in accordance with tradition and faith.